Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. After that, keyboard and input method, keyboard, and finally, theme. Now you can scroll down right away and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this sweater and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under my themes instead. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now click Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and tap on Done. Then manage keyboarders thanks to this sweater and tap on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it and tap on this bin icon. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one though, choose it. Click on this pen one instead and make all of your changes. Then tap on Apply again. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!